hooray, hooray, let's join the Potty Time Parade. March, march, march in a happy little line. Baby's holding mommy's hand, everything is fine. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe to the potty chair. Sit down gently, you're already there. You can do it, don't be shy. Try a little, give it a try. Listen to the drum roll play. It's the Potty Time Parade. Feet go wiggle, fingers tap, tap. Baby reads a book upon mommy's lap. Then a tiny sound, hooray, hooray. Everyone cheers in a happy way. Blow the trumpets, toot, toot, toot. Potty time is super cute. Clap your hands and shout, well done. Learning potty can be fun. Wave your flags and dance in line. You did it, what a shine. Stand up slowly, wipe, wipe, wipe. Flush the potty, swish just right. Wash your hands with bubbly cheer. Splash, 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 the water's near. March around, hooray, hooray. It's the Potty Time Parade. Little steps and big proud smiles. You're the potty star of miles and miles. Wave goodbye in happy swing. See you at the next parade.
Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. TooDooLoo Kids TV.